Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I got another case for the Pixel 6 made by Spigen. Now this is the Ultra Hybrid case. This is one I've been wanting to get my hands on. This case usually fits well and has good protection. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Spigen Ultra Hybrid design for the Google Pixel 6. All right, matte black. And it's actually got a clear back, but you got the matte black edge around there. Just $17.99 on Prime. All right, and but it came pretty quickly. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box right here. Regular Spigen box, easy pull tab. Hopefully this is the right case. I did order this before and I got the wrong case. It was a knockoff. I think this is the real deal right here. It came wrapped up in a nice box. Yeah, so it's got this little pull thing on here sort of for the screen. So this is probably the real deal right here. Let's get this out of the way. See the Spigen branding right there, so that's cool. So that's probably a good sign. The other one didn't have that. It was some cheap knockoff that they sent to me. Amazon did, so be careful. If it didn't come in a Spigen box and has these branding and these tabs here, it's probably not the right case. Here's your mic hole right there. You got nothing on this side except the branding. You got your openings for your ports and your charging button and your your power button and your volume down rocker. And you're gonna have good lip protection. I can tell by the way this side is, and the camera's gonna be well protected as well. You got a clear back. All right. Now I'll pull this back off. That's good. They put the tabs there, and then you got a little tab on the inside as well. Pull that off. Okay, so clear back right there. So that feels good, and it's got a matte side. All right. Now, we're going to get the device, put it inside, and see how it looks. Okay, so here's the Pixel 6. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case. All right, so it fits well, and it feels good in the hand, plenty of grip. And so I like this. You see that you can see the clear back right there. You got your camera well protected, no problem. And you got the mic hole up top right there. It's lined up. And you got your charging ports on the bottom right there, and your speakers all lines up. And you got the textured button right here for the power button, and this is smooth, so that's good. You can differentiate the two of these easily, and everything works well. Okay, you got your branding right there, and you got a little lip on top, but it's not too much. Nicely done, not too high and too intrusive where you can't slide your finger across, but it does protect the screen. And this feels good. Spigen did a good job with these cases. Not too bulky, and it feels good in the hand. You got good grip. Okay, now let's go ahead and get the device and put it on the charger and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger right here. Let's put this on. All right, so picked up wireless charge, no problem. Let's stand this up. Okay, so picked up wireless charge there. And let's go ahead and lay this down this way. So picked up wireless charge there as well, no problem. Wireless charger works well, so I didn't think we'll have any problem with that. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid clear case for the Pixel 6. All right, and it's got a clear back and the matte sides, the dark matte sides right there, black. It's a good case, feels good in the hand, and looks nice as well. All right, going to give you some protection there. All right. Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit it up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.